The incredible slimming and detox drink with apple cider vinegar. Here is a recipe for a detox drink with apple cider vinegar, ginger and honey. Hey, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Do you want to lose some weight, purify your body and boost your energy? Then this is the drink for you. It is a natural elixir of youth. Its digestive and slimming virtues are just phenomenal. This homemade detox drink indeed helps drain the body, eliminate toxins and promote the elimination of fat. In my opinion, it's perfect for finding a flat stomach. And believe me, you will quickly feel lighter and fitter. This fantastic slimming drink is quick and easy to make yourself. Ingredients: 250 ml of water, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 2 tablespoons of freshly squeezed lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of grated ginger or powdered ginger, 1/4 teaspoon ground cinnamon, 1 pinch of cayenne pepper, 1 teaspoon of unpasteurized honey optional, 1 glass, 1 saucepan, 1 colander. How to prepare: 1. Boil the water in a saucepan. 2. Put out the fire. 3. Let the water cool down a bit. 4. Pour all the ingredients into the saucepan. 5. Mix well. 6. Leave to infuse for 5 minutes. 7. Filter your detox drink into a cup. What are the results? It only remains to drink it, preferably on an empty stomach. Easy and fast. No need to spend your money at the pharmacy or have a Thermomix to make it. Making your slimming detox drink is child's play. What are the benefits of your detox drink? Drinking a glass of your detox drink will help you absorb nutrients faster. It improves the functioning of your digestive system. In short, you will feel much better quickly. To summarize, this DIY detox drink promotes weight loss, removes toxins from the body, limits appetite, improves digestion, improves the immune system, encourages pH balance in the body. How often should you take your detox drink? You are probably wondering how to do your detox. It's straightforward. It is enough to take a glass or cup of your remedy, preferably on an empty stomach half an hour before meals. Concretely, take a drink 1/2 hour before lunch, a drink in the middle of the afternoon and a drink 1/2 hour before dinner. Why does it work? Apple cider vinegar is one of those natural products with multiple benefits. The use of apple cider vinegar for detox, diet or other benefits dates back thousands of years. Thanks to its action on blood sugar, apple cider vinegar is a natural appetite suppressant. It will reduce unwanted snacking cravings. And it will help you control your weight as well. It also improves the health and renewal of the intestinal flora. It speeds up digestion and helps the body to eliminate toxins and waste better. Your body can then absorb the proper nutrients more efficiently. Overall, your metabolism improves. It will run faster. As a direct consequence, it will burn more calories, and it will draw on fat reserves. Hence the slimming action. Several studies have also established that apple cider vinegar improves blood circulation and reduces cholesterol and blood sugar levels. It is also known to fight against hypertension naturally. Associated with ginger and honey, it improves transit and fights against constipation. Honey is rich in vitamins, enzymes and minerals. As for ginger, it is an ally in eliminating toxins and improving digestion. Lemon and cinnamon are both antiseptic and antioxidant. Rich in vitamin C, lemon helps boost energy naturally. The pepper has anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial actions. It also facilitates digestion and fights against constipation by stimulating gastric secretions. It also improves blood circulation and helps in detoxification. Some people like to drink pure apple cider vinegar. Others prefer to consume it diluted with water. There is another possibility. It is to dilute it with tea. In addition to the benefits of apple cider vinegar, you also get the benefits of green tea. Green tea gives your drink even more flavor. Also, in winter, it's an excellent way to warm up. But you can choose your favorite tea to replace green tea, like white or black tea. Cinnamon and chili tend to settle to the bottom. So don't hesitate to stir your drink regularly. If you find your mixture too acidic, do not hesitate to modify the quantities of the ingredients so that it is more to your taste. Which apple cider vinegar to use? You may be used to cooking with apple cider vinegar. You can use it to concoct your detox drink. But if you want an even more effective cure, you will have to favor an unfiltered apple cider vinegar that still contains the mother, like this one. The mother concentrates the good bacteria for the intestine, vitamins, minerals and enzymes. Thank you for watching the video. Please like and share.